What is the angle labeled red? Label B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. Let the required angle be Y. For regular heptagon, its interior angle equals 900 degrees divided by 7. Let its length be X. It implies that line E, F equals line D, E which is equals to X divided by 2 and line G, H equals X which is equals to line B, C. From isosceles triangle D, E, F. The sum of 2 times angle E, F, D and angle E equals 180 degrees. Substitute values and we have that angle E, F, D equals 180 degrees divided by 7. Base angles of isosceles triangle are equal. From triangle H, G, F using cosine rule. The square of line H, F equals 1.8734898018587334, multiply by the square of X, after substitution and simplification of values. Find the square root of the equation. We have that line H, F equals the square root of 1.8734898018587334 multiply by the square of X. Thus, length H, F equals 1.36875483628688835 multiply by X. Then, use sine rule to find angle G, F, H. Let it be alpha. We have that X divided by sine alpha equals 1.36875483628688835 times X divided by sine 900 divided by 7. Solve for X. We obtained a value in sine alpha. Take sine inverse of the equation. Alpha equals sine inverse of 0.57119648295779, which is equals to 34.83388258352829 degrees. Notice from the given figure. Triangle H, G, F equals to triangle B, C, D. These are congruent triangles. Hence, the sum of angle E, F, D alpha and Y equals 180 degrees. It is because the sum of angles in a straight line equals 180 degrees. This implies that the sum of 180 degrees divided by 7, 34.83388258352829 degrees and Y equals 180 degrees. Solve for Y. Hence, the value of y equals 119.45183170218598 degrees. Y equals 119.45 degrees to 2 decimal places. Therefore, the required red angle is 119.45 degrees to 2 decimal places.